Sugriva meets Lord Ram and they both sign a pact of agreement that they both became friends, and Ram promises Sugriva that I will kill Vali, you don't worry. Because Sugriva was thrown out of Kishkinda and his wife was under Vali, he wanted his wife back and he wanted to be a part of Kishkinda, and Vali had done a great mistake of misjudging Sugriva. So Ram says, yes, it is a mistake from Vali and I will teach Vali a lesson. So Ram promises Sugriva that I will kill Vali, you don't worry. So you might be aware of this story, very interesting story. So Ram says, Sugriva, now let us go to Kishkinda and you call Vali for fight and I will stand behind the tree and I will kill your brother Vali. So Sugriva says, okay, and Sugriva understands the power of Ram, and then Sugriva goes to Kishkinda. Ram is standing behind the tree. Sugriva calls Vali, hey Vali, you coward, come out and fight with me. And Vali is thinking, how Sugriva got this courage to call me for a fight? And his wife cautions Vali that I have heard that Sugriva is now a friend of Ram. So because now Sugriva has got strength from Ram, he is coming here and calling you for the fight. So I feel better you should not go to fight. Rather try to understand what exactly is happening. Vali says, hut, I am not interested to hear all these reasons and excuses. When someone calls me for the fight, I have to go and fight. And Vali comes out. And Vali says, Sugriva, you want to fight against me? Sugriva says, yes, I want to fight. And Vali comes, takes the club, Gada, and Sugriva takes the Gada, and they both fight, left, right, center. And Vali gives nice beatings. He thrashes Sugriva. And Sugriva is expecting Ram to kill Vali, but Ram is not doing anything. So Sugriva just waits, and finally he runs back to his tent. And he says, Ram, I was waiting for your arrow. I was waiting that you will kill Vali. But if I was there for some more time, I would have been killed. Ram, why did you do this? Then Ram explains, my dear Sugriva, I am very sorry. What to do? You both look similar. You are from a Vanara species, and for humans like us, we don't feel the difference. So you are looking exactly like Vali. I didn't know what to do. So now what we will do, you wear a garland so that I can easily differentiate who is Sugriva and who is Vali. So now you go back and call Vali again for the fight. Then Sugriva says, my dear Lord, make sure that this time you kill Vali and save me, protect me. And Ram says, don't worry, you please go and call Vali for the fight. So again Sugriva goes back and again he calls, Vali, you coward! Last time something happened, now you come and I'll send you to the abode of death. And again he calls Vali. And again Vali's wife cautions, please, if Sugriva is coming again and inviting you for the combat, understand now Sugriva has more power. Vali says, no, I am not interested to hear all your excuses. He is calling me for the fight. I am going to fight and I am going to send Sugriva to the abode of death. And Vali goes. And now Sugriva is wearing a garland. So Ram easily could make out who is Sugriva and who is Vali. Now they both start fighting, and from behind the tree, Ram shoots an arrow and Vali is about to die.